Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, The Employment Box. Friends, there is an ongoing recruitment in Indian Oil Corporation Limited, which is a government undertaking. This recruitment consists of various posts for various trades like mechanical, electrical, ENTC, commerce, even plain graduates. All graduates are also eligible for this recruitment. Last date I would say is 25th of October, and this online application for this recruitment has been started from today itself, that is 5th of October. Total of 469 vacancies are there, so a good number of vacancies are there for this recruitment. One by one we'll study all the details included in official notification. The only thing you have to do is stay with us till the end of the video, and if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe. So friends, we are having the official notification on our screen. The advertisement has been released on 1st of October. The start date for applying online is 5th of October, that is today, and the last date would be 25th of October. Okay, and date of reckoning eligibility criteria would be 1st of October. So this is basically a recruitment for apprenticeship, that is for fresher, and this would be for 1 year basically. Now talking about location, tentative number of seats and reservation, the first column is for the state, then the trade, and the postcode would be useful while applying online, and the total number of seats and the bifurcation of total number of seats as per the category. So in western region, Gujarat, various states are there coming under this region. For example, Gujarat, it is having various trade like mechanical, electrical, data entry operator, accounts, human resource and all, and the total number of seats are there. For example, for mechanical trade there are 24 seats. Likewise, there are total 89 number of seats are there in Gujarat, so a good number of vacancies are there in this state. For Rajasthan, total number of seats are 43. For in eastern region, in West Bengal state, 44 seats are there. Then in Bihar, total number of seats are 36. In Assam, total number of seats are 28, and in Uttar Pradesh, 18 number of seats are there. In southern region, Odisha state, 48 number of seats are there, including all the trades. You can see the bifurcation of these trades, the total number of seats through official notification. I'll be mentioning the link of an official notification right in description box. In Chhattisgarh, total number of seats are 6. In Jharkhand, 3 number of seats are there. In northern region, in Haryana state, 41 seats are there. In Punjab, 13 seats are there. In Delhi, 20 seats are there. And in Uttar Pradesh, 26 seats are there. In Uttarakhand, total 6 seats are there. In Rajasthan, 3 seats are there. And in Himachal Pradesh, 3 seats are there. Right. In Tamil Nadu, 33 seats are there, which is in southern region, and Karnataka, 3 seats are there. In Andhra Pradesh, 6 seats are there. So in total, there are 469 seats. The recruitment is held for 469 seats. Golden opportunity for freshers, as the recruitment is for apprenticeship, and working in such a prestigious organization, that is in Indian Oil Corporation Limited. It will give a night to your future career as well. So I must say, freshers must apply for this recruitment. This recruitment is open from 5th of October to 25th of October. For online application, you have to visit this website. Same will be mentioned in the description box. Then further types of PWD, that is disabilities, are given. For example, the applicant applying for a technician apprentice belonging to PWD category should have these two disabilities. Other than this would not be allowed. Likewise, for trade apprentice, assistant human resource are given. You should go through official notification in detail. Then qualification criteria for technician, apprentice, mechanical, the candidate should have 3 years of full-time diploma, or 2 years through lateral entry after ITI, or minimum 1 year duration of 10 or 10 plus 2. The diploma should be from this concerned field, that is mechanical or automobile engineering. For technician, apprentice, electrical, same as that of mechanical, only the trade is changed, that is electrical or electrical and electronics engineering. For technician apprentice, telecommunication and instrument, same requisites are there, only the trades are changed. These 6 trades are allowed. Then trade apprentice assistant human resource, full-time bachelor's degree, graduation from a government recognized institution or university. Then trade apprentice accountant, full-time bachelor degree, graduation in commerce from a government recognized institution or university. Then data entry operator, fresher apprentice, a minimum 12th pass but below graduate will be allowed for this post. Then domestic data entry operators, skill certificate holders, minimum 12th pass should be there but below graduate. Additionally, the candidate should possess skill certificate of domestic data entry operator for training of less than 1 year issued by an awarding body recognized under National Skills Qualification Framework or any other authority recognized by central government. Then note is given where the marks of the candidate should be minimum 50% in aggregate, or in case of SC, ST and PWD categories it will be 45. Candidates having Bachelor of Degree or in Engineering or MBA and its equivalent like PGDM, MCA, LLB, CA, ICWA, Masters in Social Work, etc. will not be allowed or shall not be eligible to apply for this above apprenticeship. Okay. Then all the terms and conditions would be as per Apprentice Act 1961. If you just Google this Apprentice Act 1961, you will find all the clauses, terms and conditions. Then age criteria, the candidate willing to apply for this recruitment must be minimum 18 years and maximum 24 years as on 1st of October 2021. And the duration of this apprentice would be for technician apprentice electrical, mechanical and telecommunication and instrumentation 1 year. For trade apprentice like assistant, HR and accountant 1 year. And for data entry operator and domestic data entry operator 15 months. Then stipend would be again as per the Apprentice Act 1961, 1973, Apprentice Rules 1992 as amended and Corporations Guideline. If you Google this, you will find all the guidelines, terms and conditions and clauses. Then relaxation, upper age is relaxed by 5 years in case of candidates belonging to SC and ST category, and for OBC it would be 3 years. And upper age is relaxed to 10 years for PWD candidates. In case a candidate is belonging to PWD and with disabilities, 15 years of relaxation would be given, and for OBC it would be 13 years. Okay. Then talking about selection methodology, there would be a written test of 100 marks each, in which for technician apprentice, like for technician apprentice, a total of 100 questions would be there. 75 would be from concerned discipline of diploma level, and about 25 questions on general aptitude and reasoning, general English, numerical aptitude and general knowledge. For trade apprentice accountant, again same 75 from concerned discipline and 25 from general aptitude and reasoning, general English, numerical aptitude and general knowledge. For trade apprentice assistant, HR, human resource, all the 100 objective type would be belonging from general aptitude, reasoning, English, numerical aptitude and general knowledge. Same in case of data operator and domestic data operator. Then all the important points have been discussed. My suggestion for you would be go through all the notification, all the points mentioned in detailed notification. You have to apply on this website. Same would be mentioned on description box. Then see, date of issuance on notification has been released on 1st of October. Opening is from 5th of October and would be there till 25th of October, and written test would be conducted on 21st of November. Tentative date is given of written test. Now an overview is given in which region, state, location and trades are given over here. For example, region, southern region is given, state Tamil Nadu, location Asanur. If you have to check whether vacancies for this trade, specific trade, that is mechanical, electrical, there are vacancies or not, you can check through this table. So that's it for today. Hope you have found this video useful. Till then, keep watching and do subscribe the channel as well. Thank you.